All right, let's see if I can fit this entire side of this car down the staircase. Looks like it's gonna fit. Beats the hell out of walking around the building. I am down here in our aluminum shop. I have a 2016 F150. This one got hit in the side. It's getting 2 doors, and then it has a bunch of damage to the rocker section from here down all throughout here. So it's gonna get a B-pillar rocker section. Now in this one, you have to buy the entire Uniside. They don't sell sections of it, but they do have procedures in order to section this in. I'll have to make some exact measurements, but somewhere in there, and here, and here. The main thing Ford doesn't want is they don't want you to section within 2 inches of the door hinges, the striker, or any seatbelt mounting anchoring points on the inside. So right in those areas where I'm gonna go ahead and get this section cut out and start trimming my new piece to fit and get this one going. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and make my cuts on my new part. I'm gonna cut this long, and then I'll sit it on there and make my final cuts through both layers. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put this in further up. So I'm gonna cut this all the way up here, I think. It's gonna go in right in this area. I got my new piece sitting up on there. I'm gonna make my final cuts. I have them marked with tape. One right there, right here, and right here. And I'm cutting through both layers, then I'll trim back the part on the car the rest of the way. And then I'll have my piece. So these are backing plates that I made that go behind each of the seams, and they make a butt with a backer weld joint. It makes welding the seam up a lot easier, being aluminum especially, and helps prevent warpage as well. Well, there it is. All fit up, fits up nicely, has some nice seams to weld up. First thing in the morning, I will re-clean off all the aluminum, the bare aluminum in there, and I will lay my panel bond adhesive, and I will go ahead and rivet it on, and then I'll weld up my seams. All right, I'm back onto this 2016 F150. I'm gonna go ahead and get this rocker section on here. Then I will rivet it and get it welded on. So I have some etch primer here. I'm gonna put on all the bare metal spots, and then I'm gonna go mix up some primer surfacer and get this one all primed up. All right, I got this one all finished up. I'm gonna take it on upstairs to the paint shop so they can get this one prepped out and painted.
I stay putting in that work.